Goodness.
Steps a little steep.
Yeah. You say they're tall too. There we go. It's good for my knees. Is there? Oh, sure about my glasses.
There's some just coming right here, shallow.
Oh God. Oh Jesus. That was a little deeper.
Go this way.
I'm just gonna toss in this deep part right here real quick and see. All right. It's really deep right there, or really shallow right there. Oh no! I didn't even see. I couldn't even see. Well, that's good. That's not a good spot to hold on to. Neither is that. No, you're good. I just want to. I'm hoping I can just get around on the other side and pull it loose. Oh no. Oh, there it goes.
Super.
Here, let me go over you. Oh, there it goes. All right. Cool. So now that I can see how shallow that is.
Yeah.
From there on, it looks super.
3 or 4 foot deep.
Yeah. All right, let me go back over here. Whew, God. Oh, just chop it down a little bit?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a little bitty fish. There's one right here. Oh, he went after it. He went after it. He grabbed it. I need to get it past him first. Oh, yeah. They're idiot. They're tiny. Ow. Must be stabbing me right there. Oh, they're going after you. Dang. They're falling. I just can't get to stay up high enough. And at this point, they might see us. Or they see me. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, that right? It's something right here. Oh, here we go. I think they saw me, honestly. Because they were like right here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. They didn't go after it fast enough. There we go. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
What is it? Looks like a little green sunfish or whatever.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So it looks like. God, he got every single hook on that treble hook.
Damn.
Keep your mouth open, bud. Nice. First little creek fish. Yeah, was that green sunfish?
Yeah, green sunfish.
Sorry, it's a little bit of a drop, but there's a ton of them all right here, though. You have a small thing on there? You have a small like moving bait?
I have a little crankbait. Like a little squirrel hole, that'd be good. Like a brown color one.
Yeah, try it. As long as you can keep it kind of slowing up a little bit. Oh no. Here, now that I know not to throw it over there, I'm gonna go back over here and hope he didn't tell all of his little friends about it. Oh yeah, they're all just chilling right there. All right, this is a good spot. Oh, there's a bass right here. Yeah. He's going that way down river, so I'm gonna see if I can cast in front of him. Oh. He went after it. Beetle spin. Yeah. They're all right here. I can't get to go slow enough. What's up? Yeah, half of them are either just not going after it fast enough or they're spooking off from it. Which is weird because it's not super fast. But... Oh. Dude, I just got hammered. Yeah, most of the ones I'm either spooking off or it's just they're not moving fast enough to catch up with it. I said I was gonna come with you because they're either getting spooked or they're just not chasing it fast enough.
Yeah. And it might be still down there too, but
What's that? I might try back that way first, yeah, or later. Is it big enough for us to both fish? Oh yeah. Honestly, this moving water is probably good.
yeah. Moving water.
There's a hole. You probably can't see them on camera. There's a school of little baby fish right there.
Yeah.
I also think they saw us, but it's okay. We're not going that way. God bless. This is not the easiest thing. There's so many vapes all over the place.
Dude, what?
There's like a vape right there. There's one over here.
Oh, shit.
So if you're running low, I got you. Yeah, we're gonna have to go at least past that muddy part. Unless you want to try fishing this, and I'll go farther down.
That's fine.
Whichever. Oh gosh. Whichever way y'all want to do it. I was gonna say earlier, I was gonna say the easiest way to do it is just to get in the creek, but definitely not this one.
Yeah, no.
There ain't no getting in this creek. see if we can't go down a little farther. Without creating a rock slide. Oh, I see a whole bunch of bait fish running. They all ran that way. So maybe I'll scare them off to you. Oh gosh. Huh. See if I can do this from here. If not, we'll figure out how to get closer. Ooh. That's why I use braid. I'm surprised at how bad it doesn't smell, honestly. Oh, I spooked a fish. Or something. Look. As soon as I do that, something jumped. I just gotta figure out which way I spooked it. I'm gonna do a couple more casts and slide down more. Hey, it's something. Ooh, don't do it, little feller. There you go. Another little small green sunfish. And if I'm wrong in that, let me know. But that's what it looks like. It's kind of also a little bit hard to tell how tiny he is. Off he goes. Honestly, they're small fish, but it's still fun to catch them. See if we can't find any bigger ones. Hopefully. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? I'm gonna try going down a little bit farther. The sand is super soft and slippery. Hey, I was gonna go up on that big pool right there, past this little creek run. Maybe, if I can find a way to easily get over there. Now though, I can kind of see the layout of this water though. It definitely seems like, as you can tell, it's a city creek. So I mean, there's unfortunately trash everywhere, random crap everywhere. This creek is what essentially floods whenever it pours rain. This whole creek catches all the runoff, which in turn catches all the trash, and it turns into a dump down here. Dude, this pool is huge. Okay, cool. Which means if we're gonna find a decent bass to bite, probably gonna be in this pool right here. It's deep. It's where two creeks run together. I already got a bite, or I already got caught onto something. Something grabbed it right there. And over here it does have quite a pungent smell. That is, I don't know what that is, but it is not a fun smell. That was a terrible cast. Oh God. Oh God. Is he still on? He sure is. Oh, goodness, I'm so sorry, guy. Somehow I got him all the way in the gills. Jesus, my guy. How'd you even do that? I want to be careful here because I don't want to. I didn't see that. I'm so sorry. Y'all saw he flop though. Come on, guy. Oh. Okay, he's better. He's good. I'm sorry, little feller. All right. Well, it's all been bluegill, but it's been a pretty successful creek fishing trip already. I want that one that hit me right here in the middle. There we go. Another one. God, in the same way. Just kind of got the underside of them. It must be just the way they're swiping at it. Another one. Dude, I've already caught two. I've already caught two.
Oh, yeah.
Here, I'll see if I can stand like right here. If you want to stand like right here where I was. Yeah, dude. And so I caught one like right under over here. Yeah, like right there in this little bay or whatever, this little cove. There was one, and then right here in the middle was one. Oh, like right there, one just smacked the crap out of her. I mean, I say that for a small fish, it did, but I mean, I kind of want to let it sink a little bit, but I also don't want to let it. I have no idea how deep it is. I'm not really using the best bait you'd want to use to figure that out. But let's cast one more, and then we'll probably head the other direction and see what we can find that way. That was a good cast. Oh no. Whoo! That one was not. I deserved all of that.
Same little rock.
Yeah, I think I'm wrapped around the front of it. Uh-oh. Bummer, dude. Wait, can I? Oh God, okay. Well, just scare all the fish away. I'm sorry. Yeah, see, right in here.
So kind of like where
What do you have like a? Throw that beetle spin in there before we get too close. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna throw this whopper plopper. Oh God. God, I forgot how far you could chunk this thing. All right, I'm throwing something else. Give me something that's a little more. That's the here I might throw this right here. This is a little more weedless. I just saw the largest mosquito I've ever seen in my life. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna downsize a little bit. I didn't realize I don't know how or why there's so much grass in here already. That was a terrible cast. I forgot one thing I packed that was like crucial was that I need to remember to start packing again is bug spray.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, at the bank. Hey, that counts, right? I think so. That counts, right? Is he still here? It didn't look like he took off. Dang. He technically did touch the bank. He just touched the side of the bank. But hey, here we go. At least our first for sure bite.